NLC India Limited has released the notification for the selection of apprentices for providing 1 year training with monthly stipend. Those who has completed graduation or diploma in engineering are eligible and no need to pay any fee to apply for this apprenticeship training. Let us check the vacancies. There are totally 550 vacancies available for both graduates and diploma holders. For graduate apprentices, there are 250 vacancies in different disciplines. And the training period is 1 year with monthly stipend as 15,028 rupees. For diploma apprentices, there are 300 vacancies available in different disciplines of diploma. The training period is 1 year with monthly stipend as 12,524 rupees. The selection process involves shortlisting of online applications and certificate verification. Let us check the eligibility criteria. Age limit will be as per apprenticeship rules. The candidate should not be below 14 years as per apprenticeship rules. Check the educational qualification to apply for this apprenticeship is the candidate should be a graduate in engineering or technology or diploma in engineering or technology. The online application process starts from 15th October 2020 and the last date for enrolling in NATS portal is 3rd November 2020. Last date for applying for NLC India Limited is 10th November 2020. Let us check how to apply. This is the step-by-step process to apply online. If the student is not enrolled in National Web Portal, then first go to www.mhrdnats.gov.in. There you can see top of right corner enroll and login button. Click on enroll button and complete the application form, and then you can get unique enrollment number. After getting enrollment number, please wait for at least 1 day for enrollment verification and approval. After that, go to step 2 process. After getting enrollment verification, log in with the enrollment number and password and click on establishment request menu and click find establishment and upload resume and follow these steps. If the applicant is already enrolled in the National Web Portal, then you have to follow these steps. This is the official website of NLC India. Here is the notification details. Whichever I have discussed in this video, all these details will be available here. If you want, you can check all these details here also. To apply online for this apprenticeship, go to this website mhrdnats.gov.in website. There you can find login and enroll button. If you already have enrollment number, then click here. After that, this web page will be open. From here, you have to log in with user ID and password to upload your resume. If you don't have enrollment number, you are applying for the first time, click here login button and follow the process which I have discussed in the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates. Click on subscribe button and bell button so that you can get latest videos as notification. Thank you.